Hello everybody, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and I am in Leipers Fork, Tennessee, and I have got a cottage tour for you that you don't want to miss. You guys have heard me talk a lot about Franklin, but let me tell you about a little town, if you ever go to Franklin, you do not want to miss. It is 8 miles away. It is called Leipers Fork. It is a charming spot. Many celebrities visit this area. In fact, Justin Timberlake and his wife, Jessica Beil, are known to visit. I was so hoping I was going to see them. I didn't see them, but they live just a few miles away. Now, some things about this town. There are local artists. There's Puckett's restaurant where you will hear live music. Beautiful shops. There is a market which is the most unique place to fill up on gas. On the outside, it looks pretty normal. When you go inside, it will take you back in time. And in fact, I got a little video of what my granddaughter said, a real cowboy with spurs. But the other thing I want to share with you is this adorable cottage. It's called the Sweeney Cottage. It was built in the 1890s. It's actually a Victorian cottage. And it is a rental, and it is owned by Holly Williams, which is Hank Williams Jr.'s daughter. Let's get started on this tour. You're going to absolutely love it. how adorable was that town and that cottage? Everything about it was just completely charming. I loved it. You guys be sure to subscribe to my channel. Gonna have some more videos coming out later, and everybody stay safe and stay well.